In the hustle and bustle of our modern lives, with our busy schedules and endless to-do lists, over time our homes accumulate clutter and quickly become disordered. However, it is within our control to transform the chaos, to hit the reset button and restore order to our living spaces. Implementing a weekly home reset can be a structured approach to decluttering, cleaning, and rejuvenating our surroundings on a regular basis. Hi, I'm Robin. Welcome to my channel, Faith and Flour. I have been a homemaker for over 30 years, and in that time, I've developed some strategies that I think will help you calm the chaos and reset your home's order, starting with 10 steps that you can start today. Resetting our home is not a mundane chore. It is a ritual of renewal that brings a sense of calm and harmony to our living spaces and is one of the ways we can provide a peaceful environment for our loved ones to thrive. Dedicating a specific time each week to this task creates a rhythm that helps us stay organized and maintain a clean and inviting home. And that's why the first step is to create a schedule. Set aside a specific day and time each week dedicated to your home reset. Consistency is key to maintaining a clean and organized living space. As keeper of the home, you can choose how to accomplish it in your time. My weekly cleaning routine video, which I'll link below, takes you through how I break up the main elements over the course of my week. At its core, the weekly home reset involves a series of simple yet impactful actions aimed at restoring balance and order. And it begins with decluttering. You need to declutter one area at a time. Start small by focusing on one area of your home, such as a countertop, closet, or drawer. Sort through items, keeping only what you need and love, and designate a place for everything else. Once you have purged the unnecessary items and everything else has been returned to its proper home, your focus can shift to cleaning, which of course is an essential component of the reset ritual. Start with dusting and wiping the surfaces in your home. Grab a microfiber cloth or a lamb's wool duster and dust all surfaces, including furniture, shelves, and electronics. Wipe down countertops, tables, and other frequently used surfaces with a gentle cleaning solution. It's important to work from the top down in each room so that any dust or debris ultimately falls to the floor, which brings me to the next step: vacuum and sweep floors. Our home needs frequent vacuuming because we have a dog who sheds a lot, and when my kids were little, it was something that needed doing daily. It can be hard to keep on top of it, so when Eureka offered to send me their E10S robot vacuum, I was excited to give it a try, and I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. The E10S is Eureka's robot vacuum and mop combination with a bagless emptying station. This system keeps dust and debris at bay for up to 45 days. What's more, its bagless design means you won't have to buy dust bags, which can save you up to $70 per year. It also comes equipped with a HEPA filter that creates a healthier environment for you and your loved ones, while the multi-cyclonic separation technology reduces impurities on the cartridge, which extends the filter's lifespan. This robot vacuum has powerful suction that cleans both hard floors and carpets effectively, easily sweeping dust and pet hair. The navigation system maps the rooms in your home, which enables smart sweep routes that avoid repetition and omissions while detecting obstacles to improve sweeper safety. And its PSD technology helps clean corners and furniture edges. This 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop combo lifts the mopping pad when it detects carpet and also raises the mop while returning to the base to prevent any dripping. My favorite feature is the app, which lets me customize the multi-cleaning settings and manage zones with accurate mapping. I can even set up no-go zones and schedule cleaning times for different rooms, all from my phone. I've been very impressed with how well it cleans, especially the pet hair on both our hardwood floors and carpet. I like how it very gently cleans around our furniture. I can program it to clean on a schedule that I create, and I don't have to empty the dustbin after each cleaning. I think it will make this task almost effortless. If you are in the market for a robot vacuum and mop combo, use my link and discount code in the description box for the Eureka E10S. Following vacuuming, mop the hard floors in your home. The mopping feature of my new robot vacuum helps me maintain the hard floors throughout the week, but once a week I do a deeper cleaning of the tile, laminate, or hardwood with a microfiber mop and a suitable cleaner. Tasks such as dusting and vacuuming, mopping floors, and scrubbing surfaces helps eliminate dirt and grime, leaving our home sparkling clean and fresh. A clean environment promotes a sense of well-being and fosters a positive mindset, making it easier to relax and unwind after a long day. You'll also need to freshen up the fabrics in your home. Launder and change bed linens, towels, and other fabric items regularly. I do that once a week. Also, you might want to consider using a fabric freshener or spray, and I'll have a recipe down in the description box for one that is completely natural, or you can air out the pillows and cushions to keep them smelling fresh. Organize storage spaces. Take time to organize closets, cabinets, and storage areas. You can use bins, baskets, or drawer dividers to keep items neatly contained and easily accessible. This is key to resetting your home easily each week because there will be no question where each item in your home belongs. The one thing you can do that will have a very high impact for minimal effort is to tidy the common areas. Straighten up living areas including sofas, chairs, and coffee tables. Put away items that have migrated out of place such as books, toys, or remote controls. One of the most fun and rewarding things you can do is to add some personal touches to your home. Whether it's rearranging furniture to create a more inviting layout, adding a touch of greenery with indoor plants, or indulging in a favorite scented candle, these simple gestures can elevate the atmosphere of our homes and enhance our overall sense of happiness and contentment. last step is to reflect and plan. Take a moment to reflect on your home reset efforts and assess what worked well and what areas might need more attention next time. Make a plan for the week ahead, including any specific tasks or areas you want to prioritize during your next home reset session. By following these actionable steps each week, you'll establish a routine that keeps your home clean, organized, and refreshed, creating a space where you can relax and recharge with ease. I have found that a weekly home reset can serve as a practical tool for staying on top of household chores and preventing clutter from accumulating to overwhelming levels. By tackling tasks in bite-sized increments each week, we can avoid the daunting prospect of a major cleaning overhaul and instead maintain a sense of control and order over our living spaces. Beyond its practical benefits, the weekly home reset can give us a deeper connection to our homes and can cultivate a sense of gratitude for the spaces that we inhabit and for everything God has provided. As we invest time and energy into caring for our homes, we can develop a greater appreciation for the sanctuary that they provide for our families, a place of refuge and solace amidst the chaos of the outside world. I hope that this video encourages you in some small way. If you like this type of content, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who you think would enjoy it too. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe. It's absolutely free and easy. Just click on my picture. I'll look forward to talking with you down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful week.